There's nothing left to prove. There's nothing we can say. We've counted